Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to add IPTV to your Kodi setup seamlessly. First, let's ensure that your Kodi is updated to the latest version for optimum performance. Head to the settings and enable unknown sources to allow third-party add-on installations. Visit 2tv.store to explore a variety of IPTV services that best suit your viewing preferences. After choosing your IPTV service from 2tv.store, download the associated M3U playlist file. Navigate back to Kodi, then head to Add-ons from the main menu to start adding the playlist. Select My Add-ons, then go to PVR Clients and find the PVR IPTV Simple Client option. Click on Configure and input the M3U playlist URL from 2tv.store into the appropriate section. Save the settings and return to the home screen, where you'll update your playlist database. Head to the TV option on the main menu to see your newly added IPTV channels. Notice the vast selection of channels now at your disposal, ready to transform your entertainment. Get ready to experience superior streaming quality and unparalleled channel selection through 2tv.store. Remember, 2tv.store offers reliable and exceptional service, ensuring your viewing pleasure is unmatched. Upgrade your entertainment and make your Kodi setup thrive with these remarkably simple steps. Let's step into the future of digital entertainment, where variety and quality reign supreme. Don't forget to subscribe for more brilliant tips and to keep enhancing your media experience.